Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI. If you are looking for a cozy, comfortable, beautiful throw blanket, this one is perfect.
I am a firm believer you can never have too many throw blankets, and this one from Krifey is so amazing. I think it is just the softest, most luxurious throw blanket I have ever had. This is the 60 by 80 and it fits right across the foot of my king size bed. I have been bringing this around everywhere in the house with me. I feel like a Peanuts character just dragging my blankie with me wherever I go. It is this beautiful color. I have it in the camel, which I think is a gorgeous burnt orange color, but it can kind of read tan in some light. I think it's just gorgeous. I love the two different textures of this blanket, how one side has this crushed, textured look, and the other side is nice and flat. I love the weight of this blanket, and it is so soft and so warm. It is the perfect thing to snuggle up in on a cold winter day, and you can just watch some TV, read a book, snuggle with your animals. Everyone loves this blanket. So gift it to yourself or someone you love. You are going to be so happy that you did.
If you're ready to get cozy, grab yourself this throw blanket. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.